No joke. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiva. As you can see, Mom is not here because she decided to be annoying and not be on camera, just behind the camera. So yeah. So today we're going to do a paint your own umbrella, and it's cool because you get to paint it, and on the box it says that it's weather resistant. So we're gonna see if it's actually weather resistant. So yeah, you can do it as a home project or just a home project. So to the art studio. I'm the art Kiva, and we're going to be doing this. So this cost my mom about 2,000 naira, and as you can see it says weatherproof. So we're going to test that out at the end. So I'm sure you all know how to paint. So you're going to see bits of me painting, and then at the end I'll show you the finished project. So now we're going to open everything. Orange, and before I do the designs, so we're gonna paint that orange. It's not the best you've seen, but it's wasted paint. Just finishing edges. Because you always make sure you have to finish the edges. We're finally done with the background after a million years. I'm so old. But now we have to move on to the flowers. Yay. So I'm finally done after 6,000 million years. So we're gonna take this out. We're going to let this dry, and then we're gonna, excuse me, camera on me, not this. We're going to dry this, then we're going to take it outside. Hopefully it rains. Now you can put it on there.